Welcome to my channel, my showbiz corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Actually, ako umiyak kasi kanina nagdasal ako na sana okay lahat kasi nag-pictorial ako dati dito. May mga kasama.
Ay, ito ba yun?
Kaya parang sabi ko in Jesus name, sana kung mayroon akong pagkukulang sa nakaraan ko, sana talagang mabigay ko sa inyo kasi I really want you guys to be happy.
It's the last day of Fashion Week before I fly out. So we're gonna make the most out of our last day. Let's begin the day. Actually, I like it so much.
Pero yung bag, yung pink na maliit. Wala.
Oh, nilagay ko dyan.
Wala, nakaseparate
Hindi,
kanina.
piraso
Nasa
ko kanina.
kama.
Is, wala akong
Hala.
bag.
You're nasa akin.
Iyak.
Nakita ko rin siya sa kama kanina.
Bakit hindi ka nagsasalita? 1 hour lang tayo dito, diba? Okay. Sino mag-video? Sana hindi po ulit-ulit.
Talaga.
I'm a diva like that. Actually, okay ako. I can do it like 3 to 5 takes. No, huwag naman 5. Hindi naman to soap opera. Time is precious when it's Fashion Week.
Para akong nananaginip palate sa mata ko ha. Tintik na contact lens ito ha. Ano, ulap na lang lahat nakikita ko. Ito pa naman yung light gray. Parang lagi kang iiyak yung itsura mo.
Akala ko natural.
Sis is natural. What are you talking about? Edit out. Char! Hanging by a thread. Anong gagawin ko? Text Rome Surf. Rome Surf X Heart. Wow! Rome Surf! Kaching! Charot. Aba na nga ng litanya ko dun kay Gloop. Why is my surf chemist low? Please, kasama ba po ang masyado ban kapag mababa yung Rome Surf? Charot! Welcome to the Secret Society of Heart Evangelista. I love it. Every time I'm in Fashion Week, the more elusive we are. The content is so elusive that you have to search for it. Just like the row. Isn't that beautiful?
Ganda pa rin ni Gretchen.
Ganda ni Gretchen. Madam Gretchen, you are the one. Kaya dapat hayaan mo silang mangarag lang lahat. At the end of the day, at some point lambas ka, ganda pa rin.
Tapos alagang Ivy ka lang.
Alagang Ivy ka lang.
Tsaka maganda doon yung nagkita kayong dalawa.
Yes,
Grabe,
I love
kinilig
it.
ako doon.
You know what I
Oo, inaaya ka nga pala
So,
niya.
yes,
Super
I'm
kinilig
so
ako.
sweet. Yes, Miss
Labas daw
Gretchen.
kayo.
Yes, Queen Bee, I'm there anytime you need me. Look at her. Elegant. All the bashing before, but ganda ko. Palakpakan natin si Gretchen Barreto.
Naman. Deserve.
Deserve talaga.
Tapos ikaw nga, tamo, sino mag-aakala na ilang taong ka na, di ba?
I'm turning 40.
Totoo? Kala ko 39 ka na.
Kakati na siya.
39 na?
Yes,
Parang
yes.
ako, I look 39. Okay, so what's our next reel? You can use actually bright lights for Isabel Moron. Be a little bit more effort. Just a little bit more. I know you're